everybody, welcome to my channel. Today it is a science episode. Today don't think about magic. So today I'm going to explain you about solutes and solvents. These two words are used when we talk about solutions. What is solution? A solution forms when two or more substances mix together. Now let's talk about solutes and solvents. So now what is solute? This solute is a substance that dissolves. Example, salt. Second one is, what is solvent? This solvent is a substance in which the solute dissolves. Example, water. So, if we mix water and salt, they both form salty water. Now I'll show you this in real life. Now I'm showing this in the real. So, we are keeping solute in the solvent. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Look, the salt is already dissolved in water. So, the salt is the solute and the water is the solvent. See, even though it is dissolved, it is just looking like a normal water, even though I take in the spoon. So, the water is the solvent and the salt is the solute. So, this is the ending of the video. Bye. See you next time.